With the isolation periods during the 2020 coronavirus outbreak, the world saw the popularization of honeycomb coffee, also called Dalgona. This coffee has a rich cream layer and does not require steep milk. However, it does require a hand mix or a whisk. For those who don't have hand mixers, or find whisking laborious, this video will show you how to whip coffee with a simple immersion blender. Start with a single serve sachet or a tablespoon of instant coffee, a tablespoon of powdered or crystallized sugar, and a tablespoon and a half of hot water. Immerse the blender's wand completely and start blending at low speed. Keep tilting the blender and moving it up and down to incorporate air into the mixture. After about 4 minutes, the mixture will have doubled in volume. This is when you must stop blending. The froth produced by this method is rather runny, and unless you have a high-end blender with a brushless motor, the blender will likely turn hotter than the coffee. So if volume is your priority, this method isn't for you. However, for a simple consumer who just wishes to whip coffee easily, it works just fine and saves time and effort. For more help videos for dishwashers, washing machines, tumble dryers and vacuum cleaners, visit www.youtube.com/c/tic-tac-toe.